Hi, we are back with another series about guest posting. Today we have with us Neha, who is going to talk about how to pitch guest posting ideas to bloggers. We have often seen SEO executives or outreach experts who have guest posting ideas in their mind, but they are unable to figure out how to pitch them to bloggers. So here we have Sneha, who is going to tell us how to pitch them in the right way so that bloggers accept the guest posting emails. So over to Sneha.
So, hi Shreyashi, hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss how to pitch guest posting ideas to guest posting bloggers. So, first what we had to do is research about the site what we are pitching, because most of the bloggers or outreach persons will miss this kind of research. They just find the site and they'll directly go to the pitching the site. But the first thing what we have to do is we have to do some little research about the site. Comes to what kind of articles they are publishing and how much traffic they are receiving and what kind of ideas they missed. So if we find out that kind of ideas, we can pitch to them. That is the first step we have to do when we are pitching for a guest posting persons. And next very important thing is subject line. So because a successful pitch starts with the subject line, we can say that most of the people will lack in this subject line. So I can give you some examples, something like if you are pitching for some people, you can directly start with subject line saying like great content ideas for your blog or high quality guest post request from our side. So guest posting proposal or these kind of using short and effective kind of subject line, using these kind of things you can pitch the bloggers. And comes to next thing is when you start the pitch, you should start the pitch with a relationship. So that is very important, because if you go directly saying that I want one link from your site or I want to post in your site, it's never gonna work that way. So you should be start relationship with them, and you never use that I want link from your site at very first mail. You should start with saying that, praising their website, and I have gone through your website and you have good kind of content, and you can say that kind of things. I have gone through your most of the articles, and you can give the examples also, whatever you read blogs in their particular blog. You can give those examples and you can start relationship with them.
I think you can also talk about some of their blogs so that they know that you have actually spent time on their blog to research and you have read their content, and now you're pitching them, not just for the sake of getting a backlink.
Yes, exactly. Because that sake of getting backlink pitches never gonna work, because they'll receive so many mails every day. So they're gonna just ignore if you just want a backlink from them.
Right.
So your pitch and your article should give some importance to their website and the users. That is the very main thing here. And next you can show your previous works, because here the main thing is they don't know about you. When you just go and say that I can provide you great content and I'll give you this much words of content and it will be useful to your website, when you go and say to some blogger or editor, no one gonna believe, because they don't know about you or anything about you. So to believe, to make yourself recognizable, you should show your previous works or your authority. So your own blog or previous works, whatever you did, you should show to them. You should give examples to them. So this is the way they'll think about you and they'll think about your pitch.
Right.
So that kind of way you can give value to your thing, value to your guest post pitch. And next thing is you should understand and respect their time also, that bloggers time as well, because they'll receive daily so many mails, and if you expect them to read after reading your mail only getting reply is not the way. You should give them some kind of time. You can say for getting reply 2 to 3 days you can give time and not bothering them so much.
Right.
So once you get reply for them, you can give your ideas. In the first mail itself you will give the ideas. If they like your ideas and they like your previous works or content, they'll come back to you. So once they select the topic, so, next thing comes to is the article. So when you, after sending the article also, you should give them a time at least 1 week to review your work, because you cannot expect them to publish it very fast only. So they'll take so much of time to review. Even they'll have lot of articles and they'll have lot of work to do. So you should give 1 week of time to review your article. And next thing is the quality of your article. So when you are giving the quality of your article, most of the editors, 50% of the editors reject your article if they found any grammar or you can say spelling kind of mistakes. So that is the very important thing. That kind of mistakes will happen if you are not putting so much effort on guest posting articles.
If you are not reviewing your guest post and seeing
Yes.
whether it's grammatically correct and factually correct.
Yes, exactly.
That means you haven't spent time on your guest post and you have just written something just for the sake of getting a backlink.
Yes, exactly. So you should be very careful about the article also. You write once and edit twice. That is the main thing.
Right.
You should review your work. So this is the kind of way you can pitch the bloggers.
So that's it for now. We have understood the ways how you can correctly pitch guest posting ideas to bloggers, and if you follow this step, hopefully you're going to get positive reply from the bloggers and carry on your guest posting activities. Thank you very
Thank you
much.
guys.